AG Labs, my name is Ben, hello and welcome, not to the micro soldering show. I just want to show you a little bit more of our new ICC PRO, our test module for just easy testing errors on the lightning or dogflex cable, USB control IC, TriStar Hydra, and we got an additional test which is a secret until we deliver the device, because we don't want that people could copy our function. Okay, so I want to show you how this device works, and here we are. This is our ICC PRO in color black, and here you can just easy test for any errors at on the USB control IC or on the dogflex. Okay, so in this case we got an iPad mini, and the iPad mini has a shorted TriStar IC. So in the case that TriStar IC is shorted, you start the ICC PRO and it will directly say TriStar Hydra fail without doing any tests, because on plugging in we just do a test before and have a look if TriStar is fully shorted. If it's fully shorted, we get this message and we don't need to test anymore. So that is a really fast result. If we got another device which is fully working, like my iPhone 11 Pro, I can show you how the ICC works then. So I take my iPhone 11 Pro here, I plug in the ICC PRO, start the test, and then first we got a dogflex test. After that we got an IC test, and if all is okay, you will see it right away, TriStar Hydra is okay. If we got a fail, we will see fail, and if we got a result which isn't 100% correct from the values, we just give a message that you should test with another dogflex, and after that you can have a look if you are still got errors on the USB control line. You will see that and you can change it. That's the function, how it works. You can easily charge it with a USB-C cable. Just plug it in. The device will show the start screen, and after that you see an animation on the screen for charging. So that is really easy. You only have one button which you can hit at the whole device. So there is no way to misunderstood how to work with that device. So you can order it on www.iccpro.de. So if you want to pre-order, you can pre-order. If you want to wait until the third key feature of the device is communicated on all our social media channels, then just wait until it is, and then you can order, because I'm sure that you all will love the third feature of this beautiful product. Okay, I hope you like it. ICC PRO, get it at iccpro.de. I'm out. Goodbye. Here's Ben.